Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to review my washing machine. It has 4 settings, which I'll show you later on. So guys, this machine I bought it like 2 or 3 months ago, and it has been a lifesaver, guys. Already I had started doing the washing, so I'm going to do this load first before I show you step by step how we use it. So it has a hose, one that used for draining, and also you can put there when you're not in use. It has a place to pin it to, so that one is for draining. And also it has this section where you can spin your clothes, air dry your clothes, and it comes with these instructions there. So here is where you put your clothes after rinsing, and they get dried really good. You only have to put them out for like an hour and your clothes are done. Yani it's so easy, so quick, so fast, especially even in the cold weather, or if you have kids and they use heavy clothes. So it comes with that setting, which I'll show you later, guys. So here is where you put your pipe. It comes with a pipe, but it's really small for me since my tap, as you can see, it's quite a distance. So I think I'll try and put it and show you where the water comes from. So yeah, so guys, you don't have to have a socket. For me, my socket is far away, so I use this extension. It works well since it doesn't consume a lot of power. So I'll switch it on and let this load go, and then I'll show you the other wash as I'm explaining what everything does. So you can see this is how it washes, and trust me, it really does do the cleaning very well. The clothes come out clean. Don't be discouraged to buy this washing machine. Some people discourage others saying that it doesn't clean the clothes, but I can assure you it does clean the clothes well. So this is a Ramtons washing machine. It's 14 kgs. It's a twin tub. So I'll let this do, and then so as I was saying earlier, this is a twin tub. There are 2 types of machines. There is the semi-automatic and a fully automatic machine. So this one is a semi-automatic. The difference between the semi-automatic and the fully automatic is that the semi has twin tub, so one for washing and another one for drying. So you have to remove your clothes from the washer to the spin tab, but the automatic one, it goes all round. You don't have to do anything, guys. So your clothes wash, rinse, and then they dry themselves there. So you have to remove them only when you're going to hang. So I'm going to do this load of white, and then I have the dull colored ones. So this, I thought I'd show you what I use. So this is a Tosh machine detergent. It's 1.5 kg. It's really great. And then I use this Downy, the brown one, for the fragrance. This is the dull colored clothes that I had set aside earlier. I thought I'd do them first before doing the whites. As you can see, there is one of my trousers which is colored. That's why the water is like that. So this is another set of water. So here I'll show you how I go about it. So I use my normal pipe, kawaida tu ile ya maji, naeka maji. So these are the clothes that I had put earlier to spring dry, so I'll just get them out first. They were jeans, and as you can see, they are rinsed enough and there's no water coming out of them. So guys, I fill in my tub using pipe, so I think that I made it clear that I use my pipe because the other one is small, so I'll put away the pipe. Then there is no specific length of water that you need. Just put in the water that you feel like your clothes, according to the number of clothes that you have, and then you put in the detergent. Then I'll just run it like for 3 minutes for the detergent to mix well with the water first before putting in the clothes. So I think it's okay now, and I'll go ahead and put in my white clothes or whatever clothes that you have. After the detergent is mixed, you can go ahead and put in your laundry. So I'm going to put them all in, switch it off for a while, press them down kidogo, make sure they all get inside the water. Then I'll start it. So the maximum minutes that you can do a wash is 15 minutes. So I have put 15 minutes. The timer is 15 minutes. And then there is this knob you put at the wash. There is the normal and the heavy. So mine it's at the heavy point, because I need my clothes thoroughly cleaned. So there is the normal wash for the lighter clothes like chiffon tops, you know, the light clothes. You can put at the normal button. So it is almost only 3 minutes remaining. Then I'll show you the next step. So you can see, it's almost So in case you're wondering how the machine works, when I open this lid is removable. It's not inserted there, so you can take it off and it continues well with or without the lid. So it's almost time and it has stopped. As you can see, it's at 0. And so I'll drain. So this is a drain button, so I'll change it to drain, and you can see the water coming out. So guys, the water is already out and we'll have to rinse. So I'll put in my pipe again and let the water fill. Now it's enough. I think it's enough. I'll put in my fabric softener, my downy. Alafu then we spin it again for some time to make sure the fabric softener gets inside the clothes, all of it, and the clothes are well rinsed. So I'll run it for like 3 to 6 minutes. After I have rinsed them, I'll have to put them in the spin area. So I think they're okay now. So I'm going to get them out and put them in the other tab, the spin tab. And as you can see, they're clean. So you don't have to wring the water. You just put them as they are. You just pick and put, pick and put. So as you're putting, make sure you push them down so that you can to create space for the others. So guys, the difference from the semi and the fully automatic is, on the fully automatic you don't have to do this. So that's the difference. So it holds quite a lot of clothes. So the wash tub is 12 kg and the spin tub is 7 kg. So it holds quite a lot of clothes. And then it has an inner lid that you have to put it inside and press down the clothes so that it can, all the weight can be equally shared. I don't know if that's the right term, but I'm sure you understand. So that the weight can be equal. You press it down, then you close the inner lid, that lid, and then now the top lid. So I'll start it off. The maximum minutes here is 5 minutes. So as you can see, it starts with a speed, and it has quite a speed. So if you think your clothes need some more minutes, after 5 minutes have elapsed, you can place another minute. So I've put this button to the spin section. So as we wait for that to run, I'll show you something here, and this is called a filter. Every washing machine has a filter, and the filter has to be cleaned regularly since it takes all the dirt and the lint from clothes. The lint from the clothes, as you can see, it has some lint there. They come from the clothes. I'm sure you know those two stuff that are on top of clothes. I don't know what to call them, but they're called the lint. So it's the filter. You have to remove that lint and give this filter a wash. So at the end of this video, I'll show you how to wash your washing machine after use, and also the filter. So only like 3 minutes remaining. So guys, as you can see, it's almost turning to 1. So it has stopped. So let's see if the clothes are done. So here I have with me my basin. I'm going to remove this. I don't know if you can see. Guys, it's so dry. It's so dry, guys. Look at that. There's nothing guys, it's so dry. Let's see, it's even light. So I'll get this all out. You can see guys, it's so dry. Nothing. You can see my hands. So as this one is going, I'm going to drain this water. I'm going to drain it. So guys, you can see the water has gone down. This one is still running. It's around 1 minute remaining. So I'm going to show you how to wash the lint filter. Alafu sasa, sorry, we're going to wash this and then I show you how to wash the machine, so that you leave your machine in perfect condition ndio ikuserve siku nyingi. So we are going to goja hii. It's 1 minute. I have my other clothes here. So guys, as I said, they're dry. You just need to air dry them, like say 1 hour, and they'll be good. I don't think even it's 1 hour. It's less than an hour. As you can see, it has stopped. Yep. This is a very heavy fabric, and as you can see, it's completely dry. There is no water coming out, and my hands don't have any signs of water. As I promised earlier, I'm going to show you how I wash my machine. You drain. The knob is at drain, and then I pour in my water and I go in with a cloth as I am wiping the surface of the washing machine. So as I said earlier, this is a lint and you have to take it out. So you clean in the lint filter and make sure that the water runs through those mesh, the net mesh or the wire mesh, I don't know. It has some those things. Make sure the water runs through like this. And then you put it back where it was. So I'll clean also my tab, spin tab. So you go in with your cloth now without the water and dry the water. So you wipe down the water dry so that there is no stagnant water left inside, and so that it doesn't destroy your machine, so that you can use it longer. So just clean this up. I'll give it a good wipe. Yeah, so guys, this was the video for today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video, kindly don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please ask on the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe for those who haven't subscribed. For those who have subscribed, thank you guys. I love you so much. And also remember to click on the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So that was it, guys. Thank you for watching, and we are also growing. I really appreciate it, guys. Nawapenda sana. So until next time, bye. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping.